How's it going, you guys? So we're back in my basement. I'm going to show you guys more exercise videos because we are a fitness channel. Let's get more exercise video tutorials, how to show you guys how to progress in doing different things. So before we begin, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email. We can talk more details. So the title of the video, how to progress in the push-up, how to actually do a push-up, because a lot of my subscribers, some of them can't even do one push-up. So I'm going to show you 6 exercises in order that you should do them in a way that you can progress in doing a full push-up. So each stage or each exercise that I show you, you're going to start off doing 10 repetitions. If you get 20 repetitions, you can move on to the next stage. If you don't get the 20, you got to wait 2 days. So the next day you'll take a day off, and then the day after you can start over again. So the reason why we do that is to give your body a little bit of a break. When you do these, do 3 to 4 sets on each stage. So if you guys are trying this at home, you're doing the first stage and you get, let's say, 12 repetitions. 12 repetitions, 12 repetitions, 11 repetitions. 4 sets, almost 12 repetitions. That's fine. The next day, or the day after, try to get 13 repetitions, 13, 13, 13, and keep doing that until you get 20 repetitions on all 4 sets. So the first exercise that we're gonna do is just going to be a tabletop push-up. It doesn't have to be on a tabletop. You guys can use a wall. You want something that sort of mimics the push-up, but very high up. So all you're gonna do is do a basic push-up on a table, like this. Go in the push-up position and just do your push-ups, you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll only show you 7 repetitions. So that's what you guys want to do, the first stage. Once you can do 20 repetitions, that's awesome. You guys are working your way into the next stage. So the next stage, we will be doing our push-ups on a less of an incline. So I'm going to be using a bench press. So if you guys don't have access to a bench, you can literally use anything. Just use something that elevates you off of the ground. So by using this, we're going to go back into a normal push-up position. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do our, again, you want to do 20 reps. For purpose of just explaining, I'm only going to do 7 repetitions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you guys, so the next part of the progression is going to be the knee push-up. So you want to get on your knees, you guys, and then get up into a push-up position, just like this. And then you guys are going to do, again, aim for 20 repetitions. If you can't get 20, then that's fine. Just try it the next day. So get into the knee push-up and do your push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, for simplicity, I'm only going to do 7 repetitions. The goal is 20. You want to get 4 sets of 20 repetitions. Once you can do that, move on to the next stage. So that's stage number 3, you guys, the knee push-up. The 4th stage, and there's going to be 6 stages, you guys. The 4th stage, what you want to do now is you want to do static push-up holds. So you're going to get into a push-up position. And what you're going to want to do now is just simply hold that position. So you're in the full push-up position, but we're not doing anything. We're just simply holding the static. And again, after a while, it could get quite difficult. So a time that you want to aim for, if you can hold it for about 30 seconds, that's fine. Move on to the next stage. Again, static holds are just really getting you ready to do the push-up. So that's the 4th stage. The 5th stage of the push-ups now is going to be negative push-ups. So you're going to get up into a push-up position. And now what you're going to do is simply just let your body come to the ground. So that's 1. Then, of course, you would get back up, get back into the push-up position, and just let your body fall. The point here is really try to hold onto the tension and don't just let yourself fall. You want to actually try to kind of do a push-up, but just hold the tension on the way down. So that's 3. We'll just do 4 of these. So those are negative push-ups. These are, in my opinion, the bread and butter of learning how to do a push-up. If you can learn how to do these, you are set. But again, everything is progression. And then the final stage, 6, is doing a full push-up, you guys, which that's the goal. We want to be able to do full push-ups, and we want to be able to do, for beginners, at least 10 repetitions. So again, you guys, that is the goal, to get the 10 push-ups. Once you can get 10, just keep working your way, higher push-ups, higher push-ups. And here's the thing, people think that when push-ups are done, that it's over, you can't really progress. 100% incorrect. There's literally there's probably over 150 different push-up variations that all range from beginner to advanced. There's some pretty crazy push-up variations that I've seen that are just phenomenal. Like cliffhangers, doing push-ups with literally your upper back. Like it's phenomenal the amount of strength you can build from doing a push-up. So don't think that once you get this, that it's completely done. There's literally 150 or more different types of variations that you can do. And I want to show you guys all of these on this channel and how to progress and how to do all of them. And I don't even know all of them. I'm going to learn as well, and I'm going to show you guys, bring you guys that content. So if you guys like this kind of content, if you like me demonstrating things, being in the weight room, showing you guys workouts, exercises, let me know, comment below. I want to hear your guys' feedback. Send a video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share the video and like it. If you're thanks.